Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show plus sign or minus sign in front of percentage in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data, and for example, I'm going to show plus sign for this row. Okay, from row number 1 until number 2 until number 4. Okay, we can select the data, and then we're going to go to the number format right here, and then go to the more number formats, and we can choose custom. And for example, I'm going to add the plus sign, so I'm going to enter plus here and then click on this button. Okay, and as you can see that the plus sign has been added, and then I'm going to add a minus sign to this row from number 5 to 6. We can go back to the number format, select more number format, and then I'm going to go to custom and add the minus sign. Okay, just like this, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to show a minus sign or plus sign in front of percentage and Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!